Hello guys, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for the 10th of July 2023. Starting from Forex Factory, let me share my screen. Right. This is Forex Factory for the Monday, 10th July 2023. So we haven't got any news which relates to US dollar. So although there's some other news, which probably most likely not affect the gold price. No have impact news. This is US dollar media low impact news, 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. So that's all we have. Normally we look for heavy impact news or medium impact for that matter, but we don't have any news. So let's see what's happening in Dixie before I move to gold. Dixie is coming down very fast. And this evening star in 1 hour shows it's a kind of retest as well. It looks like come up to this level. Let's see what's happening in 4 hours. Down, heavily down. Daily, this big candle shows that it's a fast movement. It's a daily candle without a wick. A strong movement to the downside. You can see this wherever this candle is made here, and usually a strong movement. I mean, the same direction. It continues because it has no wick and it's a big candle. So here we had this bullish candle with no wick to the upside and on a level, and we did see some fast movement. Similarly here, we possibly will see movement to the downside as well, as shown by the RSI as well to the downside. The possibility that will come down, highly likely. Right, now let's jump onto gold. What's happening there? On daily, we had this double bottom because we are this level here, as you can see, this level. Prices bounced back to the upside. And now we got this strong level as well here, 1940 level roughly. So we can expect the prices go to this side and have some kind of rejection. If not, we can get further up to this level, around 1950 level, and then rejection, especially when the Dixie goes down. And there can be several levels here. So our first target is this 1940, 1950, and onwards we have levels. However, because the price, if the this is only probability, it's so prices may go down as well. You never know what happened in the financial market. The prices can go down as well. And although this is a level here, it's a rejection as well. And this is 4 hour, you can say evening star. Some may say evening star, but it is looking at the situation at the moment. It looks like this evening star may not work. So let's see. We can go because see, this is a double bottom here as well. And this strong pattern, this strong pattern. And it's a highly bullish movement. And, looking at 1 hour, 1 hour, we do see movement to the downside. There's a strong bearish candle at the level here. So it's in 15 minutes, this order block has been respected. Let's see. Yeah, there is no order block in the half an hour. So let's see how the market moves. I personally will think that I will probably take the trades on major levels, or if even on smaller, if there's enough volatility in the market, you can check volume and the market timings, and we can, regarding to that, we can take take our trades and catch some moves. So if this candle keeps carrying on bullish, the possibility to go to this level. And the 15-minute chart. So let's see. However, if this is broken, then we can expect move to the downside. And let's see what happens. So these are the major levels for day trading in 1 hour, 4 hours, especially 1 hour. These are the levels we normally look into 1 hour. So that's it for now. I hope this is helpful, and you have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye bye.